Earth's poles are hiding an enormous flow of invisible heat, and NASA can finally see it. For 2 years, a pair of shoebox-sized pre-fire satellites have watched temperatures pulse across the Arctic and Antarctic as the seasons change. In the Arctic, the long dark winter retreats as summer warmth thaws tundra and sea ice. But at the opposite end of Earth, Antarctica's brief summer rarely pushes temperatures above freezing. Yet these frozen regions help regulate the temperature of the entire planet. Heat absorbed in the tropics is carried toward the poles by oceans in the atmosphere. There, it escapes into space, much of it as far infrared radiation, invisible to human eyes. This hidden wavelength accounts for nearly 60% of the energy Earth loses to space, but until pre-fire, it had never been comprehensively measured worldwide. Now, by making the invisible visible, NASA is uncovering how changes at Earth's frozen extremes could affect weather, oceans, ice sheets, and all of us.